Good evening. How are things going on, guys?
Good, sir.
Good. So let's wait for a couple of minutes for everyone to be in. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts that you were not able to ask in the previous class, you guys can ask me today. Okay? Go ahead. Anyone, anything that you want to discuss?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Mukesh.
Sir, I have one doubt. In SharePoint, I have only limited data storage, right?
No.
No. So only 2000 data is storage in
In
SharePoint.
SharePoint, you can store data as much. No. What you are talking about is different. Is something else that you will be learning in the upcoming classes. What is 2000 limit? Where it is the limit? That is the delegation limit that you're talking about. That is on the Power Apps end, not on the SharePoint end.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. What else, guys?
Hi Indra.
Any other doubt? Hi.
Uh, yeah, actually, I opened the powerapps.com. When I open this, the environment will be. You said that Power Apps evening batch. Uh, Here
Yes, you will
I'm.
not be able to see that yet. I will be
Okay.
sharing it with all of you. I need to give you guys access to that environment that I will be giving to you on Monday.
Acha, acha, okay.
Okay. On
But
Monday, I
here
will not cover anything. On
but here
Monday,
okay, okay.
sorry. Go ahead, please. Sorry.
But here build apps with Dataverse is Srikanth environment, and other environment is Kesar consultant default. It showed me.
Don't use any of it.
Okay.
Just for now, you can just explore the things. I'm not
Okay.
going all in, like I'm not covering a lot of things. So obviously you will have little things to work on, but you will be able to cover it because mostly whatever we did today are conceptual things, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Actually, I tried yesterday's adding the columns in the SharePoint.
Okay. Were you able to do that?
Yes.
Good to know. Yes, Ashish, go ahead. Oh, Ashish, welcome back.
Yeah, hello Indra. I'm audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, I just have a quick question.
Yes.
Yeah, like is the team still using Copilot Studio new experience and workflows into the production side?
Come again. Copilot Studio workflows and
New,
all what?
yeah, Copilot Studio new experience and workflows.
Okay.
Yeah, are the team like are you using this new experience into the production side or running with the POCs?
Running with what?
Like proof of concepts.
Okay. So look, workflows are preview feature as of now. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
mostly most of the organization, they will not let you use preview features in the production. Okay.
okay. Even with the new experience, right?
Even with the new experience until it is fully launched.
Okay, okay, got it.
How's your job going, by the way?
Yeah, it's going pretty good for now.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I'm working with this Copilot things. I have not even touched the Power Platform main
Oh,
concepts.
enjoying the stuff, right?
Yeah,
Good to know.
yeah. Thank you, Indra.
Thanks. So planning to repeat the batch or just join today for the
Yeah, like I had this question, so that's the reason I joined the.
okay. So currently,
Yeah,
like in most of the organizations, like there is mandate, like they will not let you go live with preview features.
even with the
So
POCs also we can't.
POCs you can do. POC is just a proof of concept, right? To learn the
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
So Recently, I started learning code apps, but code apps is still a preview thing, right?
Yeah, they're also pushing me into that side. I
Yeah,
also
because
started
in code
working on
apps, you
that.
will spend less time in creating UI. So everyone wants to save time, right?
Yeah, they give access to GitHub Copilot and just connect to GitHub Copilot and just wipe code.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, it looks sound like little confusing, but sorry for asking all these questions.
No worries, Ashish.
Yeah, thank you, Indra.
Thanks. Yes, Yashwant, go ahead, please.
Hey, hi everyone. Yeah,
Hi.
so yesterday, we have seen that we have created few tables and columns in the Canvas app, right? So the question was that the why we have created that on the SharePoint, why not in SQL or in Dataverse, or it's directly added if we created the in SharePoint, it would directly add it to the Dataverse or SQL, or it's a
No.
different process. No, okay.
Okay, let me tell you. So basically, while we were planning for the project, we agreed like we will be using SharePoint as a data source. So that's why we created the stuff in SharePoint. Okay. Now coming to your question, why we did not create it on the SQL or something. So you can go ahead and implement your data design in SQL, in NoSQL, wherever you want to do. You are free to do that. After that, once the tables are created, you will be connecting, and then after that, you will be using the same things which will be there. So why not Dataverse? Because Dataverse, anyways, you will be learning when we will be learning model-driven apps. Okay, so in Dataverse can be tightly integrated with model-driven apps. So that's why we will be covering it later when we will be learning model-driven app. So and the motivation behind using SharePoint list, not SQL Server or not any other data source. Why only SharePoint list? Because like sometimes organizations don't have premium license. So they have E3 or E5 license. So with that license, Power Apps will come, but not the premium feature. The basic features will come. So you will see when you will go to the real world, there are lots of Power App projects which are running on the SharePoint side. So that's why to mimic that thing, I chosen SharePoint list for this.
Okay. So is
Okay.
there any case where Dataverse is mandatory? Like it's necessary, like, okay, now,
No, look,
uh,
if in the real world you are creating on Dataverse also, so I don't think like there will be a issue in that. Like it is not a showstopper for you because in
mhm,
next module you will be learning in and out the Dataverse. And once you can create the tables in the Dataverse, you will be learning today itself like how to connect to any data source using Canvas apps.
mhm,
So I think you will be able to work on that.
okay. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for the update.
Okay. Thank you. Fine. Anyone else? Anything?
Hi Indra, this is
Hi,
Akshay.
Akshay.
So Indra, I'm
Yes.
not sure. Like if you would like to answer it, then it is fine. So as Ashish is joined this call, so I think he is a existing batch student, I guess, right?
Ashish, why
So
not
if
you introduce yourself?
sorry,
No, no, I'm asking Ashish. I'll come to your
yeah,
question.
yeah.
Yes, okay, you finish first. Then we will go to
Yeah,
Ashish. He will
fine, fine.
introduce.
Please go ahead. We can go with Ashish.
Ashish
Like,
is,
sorry,
yeah.
I can't do it now. I'm in.
Okay, you are
Hope,
in office. Okay, that's fine. I
yes,
will
hope you
introduce
understand.
you. Okay. So, Akshay, Ashish is my previous batch student. The recent evening batch it got finished. Okay. I think 1 month ago. He was in Poland. He was pursuing some degree there, I guess. So he enrolled, and after that, he got placed in EY Poland. Okay, and
Yeah.
now he's working in Copilot and all. Now you
Mhm.
tell me what is your doubt?
No, no. I just want to share his experience, like how the training and what are the real-time scenarios we covered and what is the scope
Okay,
going
you
forward. We
want
need
the
to
live
more
review
focus
of the
on.
course.
I'm just
Okay,
asking whether it is a
got it.
correct or not. So I just wanted to.
No, that perfectly makes sense. But Ashish,
Yeah.
I'm not sure whether
So
he will be
that.
able to say something or not.
Yeah,
Ashish?
I myself referred to 5 members, and 2 of my friends recently joined it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's my answer.
Good to hear. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. And Akshay, you can go ahead to our KSR Data Vision on Google Maps. So there also you will be able to see the reviews from the student. All those are genuine reviews. We don't buy reviews. Okay. So everything is genuine. You can go ahead and read their positive, negative, neutral, whatever it is. All those are by our students.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. What else, guys? Anything else that you want to discuss? I think we have the required strength now. Let's get started, and then might we at the end we can discuss whatever doubts you have. Okay. So, guys, I hope you are able to see my screen. Just a second, it is loading. Is it visible to everyone?
Yeah, it's visible. Yes, sir.
Oh, so guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. We are working on Power Apps, and this is the fourth free preview session on Power Platform course, right? So today we will be discussing about the following topics. We will be continuing with data design implementation. Then we will be creating connection with SharePoint and Canvas app. And then I will be introducing you to PowerFX. Okay. Did anyone heard about PowerFX earlier?
Yes.
In JD.
Yes, PowerFX is a formula language which is used to create some calculation inside Power Apps.
Very good. So it is, guys, expressions like you have Excel expressions, right? So similarly, this is the expression thing. Okay. So which you can go ahead and implement the logic on the basis of your business logic, whatever it is. Okay. So now, guys, let's go ahead and start with the data design where we left it. Okay. So let's go ahead and do it. Where we were, we have created pay band. No, we didn't create it yet, right? So let's create pay band now. So pay band should be of type choice. And might be I will write L1, L2 like that. Okay. L1, L2, L3. This is my payment. Permitted amount. Come on, what is happening? I pressed enter. This is done. No fill. Permitted amount. Obviously, guys, you can go ahead and add expense type also, right? If it is broadband, then might be the prevented amount, something else, right? If it is something else, then it will be something else, isn't it? Right, guys? What do you think?
So dependent drop-down list, are you trying to refer?
Sorry,
Dependent drop-down list?
I did not got what list.
Indra,
What
you
dependent?
already added this one, expense type, 13th row item, actually.
13th row, expense type.
Yeah,
No, I'm
yeah,
talking
that is
about this table, thresholds. So threshold
okay.
will be defined on the basis of pay band and expense type, right? Might be L1 have broadband expense limit of 1,000 rupees. L1 have travel expense limit of might be 20,000 rupees, right? So like
Oh,
that.
okay.
So permitted amount that obviously we will be taking from this table. So I will say it as what? What it will be, guys? Permitted amount. Come on. Number or text? Number.
Number.
Okay. Number. And okay, like coming here again and again. Project code. Obviously, you will have lots of projects, right? So I will not use lot of project. I will create a couple of them. And when you are creating your data set, if you want to create 20 project code, 50 project code, you are free to do that. Okay. P202, P205. I'm creating random numbers. Project 258 and saved. Now, next thing which is here, this is done, this is done. Document, I will keep it yellow for now. I will let you know, like there is a field which is by default available here. So we will be using that one. Let me see if I can show you the fields which are already present here. Filter, no, all items. Okay, I'll show you about file later. So file is pending. So there is a field which is automatically available. We will use that one. So this is the second table that we need to create, right? Thresholds. So how to create table? You can go to home, click on new, click on list, add the name of list, create, add column. So I will create first column, which is pay band. So here, guys, it will be again choice, right? What was the pay band choices, guys, that we have created? Can someone tell me? L1, L2, L3?
L1, L2,
Yes.
L3.
Right? What is the second column? Second column name, guys. Maximum amount. And it will be of type number.
Expense type choice.
And it will be of type choice. What was the expense type, guys? Broadband. We created a couple of them, right?
Travel.
Certification. Travel and other.
Mobile was also.
Sorry,
Mobile, I think, was there. Mobile.
mobile and others, right?
Yeah.
Save.
Indra, can we delete the title or is it fixed? Is it
It is out of
default?
the box column. It will not let you delete it.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, your data set is ready. So now you have your data set created. Now we will go to Power Apps and we will create our project from scratch. I'll say create from blank. I will be creating tablet app.
Sir, I have one quick question. Can I ask?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Sir, yesterday we are creating one column, right? RM, reporting manager. So in that column, we are decided to take a text data set. So instead of this one, we can use person column, or is there any?
Look, person will be like it requires the list of persons to be selected from. You don't have it yet, right? So in the front end, we can display the drop down for with all of the RMs available. Okay, we will discuss it in the class. Like as of now, we just created it a placeholder behind the scenes RM, which will store the RM values. What we need to show to the users on the front end that we will be discussing today. Not today, in the upcoming classes.
Sure, sure.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So guys, this is the app that I have created. So now what I need to do, now these two entities are as of now separate entities, right? So I need to go ahead and connect this expense details table in Canvas app, isn't it? So how to connect, guys? You know, which option should I click?
Add data.
Add data, right? Let's click on add data. And then which connector to select?
SharePoint.
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 SharePoint,
SharePoint
right?
list.
This is your SharePoint connector. You need to create connection, guys. If you click on add connection, a pop-up will come where you need to click sign in and it will be signed in. So I already have that. Now it will show you all the SharePoint sites which you have access to. So this is the one that we have created, right? For your batch,
Yes.
Yes.
August 2026 evening batch. I want to connect these two tables, right? And connect. And data source was added. If you go to data tab, are you able to see both the tables added here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So guys, your tables are added. Now you will be able to use it in the app. So let us go ahead and start with the first screen of our app. So this will be my home screen, right? So guys, while designing screen, what do you think should come first? How we will start the design?
Header,
Landing
app
page,
name.
The title.
Header.
landing page, you can say.
We can add a logo.
Header of the header where we'll display the app name.
Very good. So how to add it? You can go to insert and add a text label. So text label will look like this. You can extend it till the end, and then you can add the header in the text. So what should be the header, guys?
Expense.
Transporter.
Management app.
Right? So let us beautify it. Font size. And now you want to add as a background color. So which kind of background color they will be selecting? So you can click on this and let's select something light because we need to see it for 2 weeks, next 2 weeks. So is it fine, guys? Is it looking soothing to your eyes?
Yes, sir.
Semi-bold. So your title is ready, right? What else, guys? See this. So we can add like this also, right? As of now, I don't have any image. So might be like we can add a similar kind of thing here, which will tell the user logged in user image, right? What do you think, guys?
Yes, sir.
We can do
Yes.
that, right? Fair ask?
Yes.
Yes.
So let us go ahead and do it. So how to add it? So there will be input here, which will be image. So guys, is it fine or I'm going too slow? I'm deliberately going too slow, guys, because things
Those
are new
fine,
for
sir.
you.
Fine, sir.
Fine? The pace?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine.
I hope you're not sleeping.
No.
Okay. So you have added the image. So now
No.
guys, what this should display?
Profile icon.
User.
Profile image
User profile. Yes.
of whom? Of me, the developer.
Cur-
Of the
Current user.
person who has logged in.
Current
Organization.
user
Person who is
logged in.
logged into the app. So what you need to do, you can select this and instead of sample image, you need to get the logged in user image, right? So how you can get it? So guys, I am introducing you to the first Power FX function of your life, which is user. So this is your first Power FX function. What it will give you? It will give you image, email of the logged in user, enter object ID, and the full name of logged in user. So this is your first PowerFX function that you are learning. Making sense? What I need? I need image. So I don't have any image. So that's why I'm getting placeholder. So if you will log in, if you have your profile image, you will be able to see your profile image here. Is it making sense, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
But if the image is not there, then will the initials come
If
over
email
there?
is not there in the Office 365, you will get blank. As you can see, I don't have image setup. What I'm getting? I'm getting the blank placeholder.
Hmm.
If you will log in, you have the image uploaded, you will be able to see your image.
Okay.
Okay. But it is the example that you took is little not possible because you will have every time you will have email. If you don't have email, how you will log in? Image is optional,
Image.
right?
I'm referring to image. If the
Yes,
image is not
email
there.
can't be optional. Email will always be there.
Yeah. So onto the right hand side, we are able to see JS. I think so in the circle. Am I right? On the screen.
On the right hand side, you are able to see
Below
what?
Copilot chat. Below Copilot chat, there
Below
is
IS.
See
Copilot.
your
IS,
profile. Your
your
profile.
profile name.
Yes.
So let's suppose if an user is logging in and not every user has the image uploaded to the, you can say the email account
No, 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 no,
associated.
no, 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 no. Here you are getting wrong.
Okay.
From where user is reading the function detail? It is reading from Office 365 directory. If in
Okay.
Office 365 itself your email is not there, then how you will log in? You will not be able to log in, right?
Yes.
It is
Yes.
going here, and from here it is reading.
Right. So instead of image, so the initials can also come IS or AP or anything like that.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Indra, what is Entra object ID?
Microsoft Entra is the portal where like you will have all the list of users. So Entra ID will be the unique ID of the user which is present in Microsoft Entra.
Okay. But where is it commonly used or usually used? Like
It's not
in.
commonly used. Basically, suppose, okay, who is talking? Chandra, right? So
Yeah.
Chandra, like suppose we are running an organization, ksrdatavision.com.
Hmm.
So we will have almost thousands of users, right? So don't you think like we need a portal to manage all these users? So the portal which will manage all the licenses, all the logins, that is called as Microsoft Entra portal. Okay. So every user will have a unique ID there. So that ID is
Okay.
called as Microsoft Entra ID.
Okay. Okay. So it's
Okay.
like a primary key, you can say, similar to primary key.
Primary key of the user. Like
User.
now you have KSR credentials, right? So from where
Hmm.
we generated your credentials, we onboarded you to the Entra portal. So from where we
Hmm.
generated, from there we generated your thing. So if I want to see when you logged in, what you did with our account, like KSR credentials, I can see all those things from there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Fine, guys. So now might be I will add here a thumbnail for my organization also. So I want to add the image. I will click on three dot, go to media, click on add media, click on upload, and I will add the KSR logo. Not this one, it will be on the desktop, I guess. Yeah, this one. Let's add it. Open. So I'm adding a static image here that I want to use as a logo. Here you go. Now, guys, next thing might be you want to show a welcome message, right?
Yes, sir.
So, welcome message, what it should say. Might be I want to show a custom welcome message, which will say welcome Indra. If Chandra will log in, welcome Chandra. If Mahesh will log in, welcome Mahesh. If Shrikant will log in, welcome Shrikant. Right? Is it making sense what I'm
Yes.
trying to achieve?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So I will take one more text level and I will place it somewhere here. Right? And I will say, so now guys, I have some static text and I have some dynamic text. So what you need to do? I need to concatenate, right?
Yes.
Concatenate, welcome with, how I can get the logged in username?
Use PowerFX function.
User
Which
dot
is
full name.
User
user
dot
dot
dot full name.
full name. So it will give me logged in username. So might be I will increase the size a bit and I will try to make it semi bold. Let's increase a little bit more. So now guys, might be you want to add what? You want to add a background image also. As of now, it is looking lot of byte space here, right? So how to add background image? Click on three dots, click on background image. You can add your image that you have uploaded here, or you can go to stock images and use from here also, which are automatically available by Microsoft. So let me see if I can have something related to expense or money. Mhm. Let's use this one. So nothing to take with that, but it is light background. Fit, fill, right? So this is how you can add the background image. So now guys, a thing that might be coming to your head, sir, do we need to remember every PowerFX function? right? Fair ask.
Yes.
Is anyone has that doubt? The answer is you don't need to remember even a single PowerFX function, but at the same time, you need to understand how to solve the problems. Like here, you were having the problem, right? You want to see the welcome message, which will be what? Which will be customized, right?
Right.
Yes.
So here, like you need to break down the problem statement. First thing first, how to break. Like you have some static part and you have some dynamic part. So static part is fine. You need to write welcome. Dynamic part is like you need to get the logged in username, right? So then you need to research about how you can get logged in username in Power Apps, right? So once you will get that, then you need to research like how you can merge it or concatenate it or join it, right? So then you will be able to see this function. So now, what are different ways to see like how it works or what are the functions? Either you can go to ChatGPT, you can ask, you can go to Copilot, you can ask, but there is a Bible for PowerFX which is available. That is Microsoft official documentation. You can say PowerFX, MS Docs. Open this first link, you will be able to see everything which is under the hood available here. You can simply search here, concatenate. Concatenate, right? So you have these two functions. So now you want to see like which one will be helpful. You can read about both. If you click on concatenate, here you go. You will be able to see what it means, how to use, syntax of it, what is table, what is formula, what is separator. Then you have examples, right? So here they have explained it very clearly. All the formulas which are under the hood available here. And why I'm asking you to use this? Because it will be updated by Microsoft time to time. If something is getting changed in concatenate function, it will be updated by Microsoft. Here you can see it was updated in 2025, 6/20/2025, almost a year ago. Okay. So if you go to this confirm, might be this is the latest function which got added. Look, when it got updated,
10th of Feb.
10th of Feb. 10th of
10th of
February.
Feb, right?
Mm.
So, like, if you create your own notes, so might be you need to maintain it and you will not be able to update it on time. So, always, guys, in Power Platform, you can keep this thing in mind. Always rely on official documentation. It is very simple. It is in very simple language. It is not in complex language that you will not be able to understand. Here you will be able to see everything. Like they have given you this thing, the example, what it will do, how to use it. Everything will be available here. So I will be coming to this quite a good number of time in the batch. So what you need to focus on, you need to focus on the skill to solve the problem, not to cram the solution. Getting me? Or basically by heart the solution. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Now, guys, tomorrow, what we will do is we will go ahead and we will create more screens in the app. So now tell me, guys, what are the functionalities that should be available in this app? Let's discuss the functionalities we will implement tomorrow.
I believe button
Button.
to navigate
Button
to
is
next
not a
page.
functionality. Button is a
Sorry.
tool to achieve the
Oh,
functionality.
yeah.
Come on, functionality is this.
Whether we need to navigate.
We should have a form where user can enter the details.
Okay. Is that a functionality?
A functionality on the welcome screen you're asking.
Suppose, guys, you are a user. So what are the operations that you want to do from this app? if you're creating expense management app. Yes, Naidu, go ahead. Naidu, you want to say something? Your hand is up.
Hi. Sorry, my mic was mute.
Okay, that's
I'm
fine.
audible now.
Yes, you are.
Yes. So actually, I'm the ex-students of KSR because almost 3 years back I was a student of this KSR. Now
Okay.
I need to, because just now I joined recently the new organization, which is need to develop this kind of things.
Okay.
To understand either the Power App need to use either required the email IDs, this like corporate email IDs is mandatory for that using this Power
We
App.
will be giving you everything. Like if you are ex-student of KSR, so I'm not sure like when you joined
No,
at
no,
that
I'm not
time.
talking about no. I know that. I know that. Just I'm asking that in organization,
Yes, it is
if I
required in
create some,
organization.
it is required for using this Power App. This mandatory email ID is
Yes.
required, right?
Standard ID is required, as well as you should have a proper license also associated to your account. Only then you will be able to create it.
Because we have a Microsoft 365 license for our organization, so I can able to create this Power Apps, right?
You can create, but not with the premium features. A basic app.
Premier features. Okay.
So to use premium features, you need to buy a separate license, which is not E5. That will be Power Apps premium license, which will cost you $20 per user per month.
So this is like separate cost for this.
Yes.
Oh, because if it is a have 365 license, so with my organization, so I can build that power because they're just giving the options by the way. While
In
creating that, like
365, that's
what
what
we do.
I mentioned in the beginning of the course, beginning of the
Yeah.
class. Like 360,
Yeah.
with 365, you will be able to create basic Canvas app with SharePoint as a data source or any other data source which you have already subscription to. But you will not be able to use premium features. So premium features, like suppose you want to use Dataverse as a data source, right? So here you go.
Okay. Because
Power Apps
Copilot
premium
is
license is
there.
required.
Recently just I created Copilot option is there. The when I just giving this Copilot command and all, so this automatically giving this some data to create the Power App, but I'm not sure I'm that much of confident on that.
Yes. Copilot, you can ask Copilot to create. It will create some data set for you and you can then extend it. So it is there in the beginning of this thing, like where we created the app. There itself you can define.
Okay. For example, just to final last question, I have some data. Like for example, I'm basically background of engineering background, not software kind of background. Just
Okay.
in case if I create some maintenance, like our maintenance budget things criteria, and I need to show that management to this Power App and Power BI, the data should be automatically update or what? How it will be like? Because I'm maintaining now in Excel. So the
So
Excel, how
where
we need
your
to
data is
convert into
currently?
now in the Excel.
It is in Excel, right? So what you want to
Yeah.
achieve in Power Apps?
That's what I want to understand because if I need to update in the
Look, you
Power
can
App daily
create,
wise,
well, let me tell you what are the capabilities of Power Apps.
yeah,
Any
please.
functionality that you can achieve in any other app, whether it is JavaScript app, whether it is Java based app, whether it is .NET based app, whether it is your React based app, all those functionalities can be achieved here. Okay. So now
Okay,
whatever
because
you want to do, you can create it on your Excel sheet, on the top of your Excel as a data source. You can connect with Excel also directly, by the way. You can search here.
to Power Apps.
Yes, Excel online. You can host it in your SharePoint or in your OneDrive and then you can connect it. And you don't need premium
Oh,
license for that.
so this how it will be this link first Excel Power App, then Power BI or Excel Power BI or Power App. So what is this link on that kind of
No,
links?
it will be Excel to Power Apps, Excel to Power BI. Excel will be your data set, right? So on data set, there will
Yeah.
be front end, and on data set, there will be analytic layer.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Fine.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Okay, guys, coming back. What are the functionalities, guys, that you are expecting from this app?
Create new
Have
expense.
Very good. You need to create the expense, right? Isn't
Yeah,
it,
this kind
guys?
of expenses need to create.
You need to submit the expense. Right, guys? Right, Shrikant, Bishwajit,
Yeah.
isn't it? What else you should be able to do with this app? Come on. Come on, guys. Think like users and tell me.
Creating, reading, updating, delete, basically the CRUD operations.
Requesting.
You should be able to view the expenses that you have submitted, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, guys?
Yes.
If you want to edit any expense which you have submitted earlier, you should be able to do that, right? Right, guys? If you want to assign the expense for some other people to review, you should be able to do that, isn't it? Right, guys? So these are the functionalities that you may have in this app. So now tomorrow, guys, we will start with the first functionality is to create a expense from this app. And then we will work on that creation part itself for next two sessions where we will see a lot of things like how to create form, how to add validations, how to auto generate stuff. Because in SharePoint, you can't auto generate the IDs and all, right? So we will learn a lot of things in the upcoming week. Okay, guys. So stay tuned for that. So now, guys, I'm done with the content which I have planned for today. So we have 10 minutes. So whatever doubts you have, you guys can ask me one by one. Come on. Yes, Kaif, go ahead.
So what is that Copilot button and what is that you and how to
Where
use
is
and when to
Copilot
use
button?
that?
Where is Copilot button, bro? This button you are talking about?
No, hit on the FX side
This
of
button.
FX.
This button will tell you,
Yes.
explain the formula, whatever it's written. And even you can generate also, but as of now, it is in preview.
Okay.
Okay.
So when can we use that? Means like what is the use of that?
Use is simple. Like if you are not able to understand what this formula is doing, you can ask Copilot to explain it to you. It is explaining here. This expression set the fill color of the home screen control to white.
Okay.
Yes, Chandra, go ahead. Chandra is next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Indra, in SharePoint list, how many rows we can add? Like, what is the
You
row
can add
limit?
as many rows as you want in the SharePoint list.
Okay, like millions.
Yeah.
That will
You
also
can
work.
add millions, but performance will start getting degraded and data will exceed. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Mohan, go ahead. Mohan is unmuted from long
Yeah.
back. I'll come to you, Mukesh.
Yes,
Yeah.
I've got a question. Is Power Apps an alternative to React?
Not alternative to React, but basically you can say like low code, no code way of creating the apps, a faster way to create the apps in Microsoft ecosystem. Okay. But because this Power Apps, you can't share it with external users. Getting me? Like you can't build another Flipkart using Power Apps. Okay.
So it's only internal to the organization.
These are internal apps which will help you streamline the process. Suppose you are running a business where you are doing everything manually in your business process. So we will go ahead, we will create these kind of apps for you and you will be able to do the more work in less time. So I
So
will
can
be
it
telling
connect
you
to?
all of the scenarios also in the real-time scenarios in the class once you know something in the Canvas app. Because as of now, it is very raw, right? If I will start explaining you the real-time scenarios, so then you will be confused.
Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
Now, can the app connect to Power Apps connect to backend databases like SQL Server, Oracle,
Yes,
etc.?
that's what I am showing you here from last 2 days. Connectors. You can connect with these many data sources.
Okay. Even ERP systems as well?
Yes, which ERP system you want to connect?
Oracle or SAP?
Are you able to see?
Yeah.
But you need a premium license for this. Okay. Fine. Yes, Mukesh. Mohan, are you done with your questions?
I just have another question. Now,
Okay.
what is how does the licensing go? Is it the host pays or the user pays?
User based.
User based. Okay. And what's the approximate price?
$20 per user per month. We will discuss
That's for the,
licensing also in the course. We will discuss everything.
okay. That's for the
Okay.
premium license.
Yes, for the premium license.
Thanks.
Okay, go ahead, Mukesh.
Sir, I have one doubt here. The first screen is developed as a login screen, right?
Login screen you will be developing in the project. All those functions which are required to develop login screen, we will be covering in the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that will be the application that I want you to implement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go
Okay.
ahead, Vishwajit.
Sorry, it was by mistake.
Okay, let me see if I can log into my LinkedIn and then I want to show you some projects that other people have did as a homework project because I will want you to implement a couple of functionalities so that you know the applications. LinkedIn. Hmm, heck is this? We have time, right? Yeah, we have 6 minutes. Come on, bro. Unfortunately, I'm not able to log in, it seems. Okay, just a sec. People have already dropped off. I can see only 27 people in the class. Nine seven one 896 971 8 6. Yes, Mohan, you have something?
Yes. Indrajit, within the organization, if Power Apps is considered as an alternative to React, how would you, what will be the proposition to go for Power Apps?
By proposition, what you mean?
What is the value proposition?
Value will be huge because in React, you will be needing more developer, more time, right? So here you will be able to do it in less time. even if it's the functionality is little bit tricky. You don't need to write code. You don't need to maintain code. You don't need to have subscriptions for 10 tools, right? One tool and done. If you are creating React app, you will be doing it. What to say? You need a DevOps team. You need testing, right? All those things, extra cost. All those things will not be here.
Yeah. No, but licensing is probably one of the bigger.
That is not bigger. That are peanuts, right? $20.
Yeah, but say for example, if you get 50, 100 users for an app, right? That's 20 multiplied by that many users.
But users don't need premium license, right? They will be able to access with the E5 license that will be there for most of the people. For
Then who
building, you
needs
need premium license,
who
not for
needs the premium?
accessing. Yeah.
Who needs the premium license? Is it the developer?
Developer, correct.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Here, how I can share you the post which I have shared.
Indeed, I have one question.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Suppose I'm working for an organization ABC and my client is XYZ. Okay. Now my client
I'll show
wants
you.
me to develop something or Power Apps Canvas app. So that development will be done in my company environment and then deployed in their environment.
No, you will set up environment in their tenant, in the client's tenant.
In the clients and develop there and let's deploy
And then
there.
you will leave.
Okay.
Once it is developed, you will leave their environment. That's it.
Okay. It cannot be like my organization will develop it and then we can deploy it in the client's environment.
Look, you can do it, but it is not recommended.
Okay.
They will not let you take the zip file and install there, right? To have cybersecurity things. They will
Okay.
not
So
let you do that.
it must be developed in client's environment and deployed there only.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, I will show you guys projects tomorrow, the people who have did it. It seems there is some issue with my LinkedIn stuff. Fine. So guys, we can end the session here. Let's meet again tomorrow. And then we will work on the next kind of functionalities. And tomorrow will be the final free preview session. So if you want to discuss anything, you can discuss with me. I'll try to keep the content short tomorrow so that you can have a time to discuss with me your doubts and whatever else that you want to discuss with me. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thanks.